A Swan-Inspired table lamp. This is wireless charger RGB lamp. It has 10 watts wireless charging capabilities, RGB light effects, a wireless speaker which you can answer phone calls as well, and a night lamp. Make it sure you're using 9 volts and 2 ampere travel adapter so that the wireless charging will work effectively. Inside the box is the device itself, but let's check that later. Let's take this user manual first with different language translation. Then this Type-C USB power cable. As you can see, a Swan-Inspired design. It is made of quality plastic material. Let's see if the RGB light effects, the speaker and the wireless charging capabilities really work and worth buying for. So let's familiarize the buttons. The power button. Do long press to turn on or off the device.
Power on. Bluetooth connected.
This green light indicator is on when it is connected to the power supply. And do short press to turn on or off the dimmed light effects underneath. So which light is for music rhythm effects? When the default light effects is on, press 2 times and the light must be like this effect. So this 3 buttons are for the backward button. Do short press in selecting previous song, and do long press to decrease the volume. The play or pause buttons can be for answering call or hung up. And the forward button, do short press to select next song and do long press to increase the volume. The RGB light button. Do short press to select RGB light effects, and do long press to turn on or off the RGB light. And these are the RGB light choices. This light is for music rhythm effects. And last choice is this warm white light. So it's time to test the wireless charging function. I have here my iPhone 12 Pro Max, which support 15 watts. But this wireless charger RGB lamp has only 10 watts capabilities. It works, but it takes 1 hour to juice up 50% of the battery power. In my opinion, the build quality is great. RGB light effects is superb. The speaker sound is okay, not really great. But for wireless charging, not that impressive. Though it is really great as light display, and even the design. But don't expect much about wireless charging capability. And that's it. If you reached till this video watching, thank you so much. Your like and subscription is highly appreciated, as well as your comments too. Thank you and see you on my next video.
Power on.